Hello dear student, myself Swati Putane. Welcome to grammar class. Today we are going to learn a, an and the. This used to point out nouns are called the articles. You already know that a, e, I, o, u are the vowels and all other letters are the consonant. So we're going to see the first article. A comes before singular nouns that begins with the consonant sound. Here you can see man. In a man word, there is the first letter is M. That is a consonant sound. That's why we use a letter before the word. Remember two things when you want to use the a letter. Here, the word is must be in singular and that's begin with the consonant sound. Here also you can see a singular noun and the first letter is just start with the consonant sound. That's why we use a letter before the word. Now we're going to see the next article and. And comes before singular noun that begin with a vowel sound or a mute edge. This is a elf. Elf means a small creature with the pointed ears. Here you can see who has a magic powers also. So the elf is a singular noun and this word is a start with the vowel sound. That's why we use the and before the elf. See the next example, envelope. Envelope also start with the vowel sound and that is also a singular noun. That's why we use a and before the word. Okay, remember here two things. And comes before singular noun and that word is start with the vowel sound. Here, Ria is an honest person. Here the word is a start with H letter, but H is a silent here. We pronounce here honest. Honest. Okay, that is a vowel. We pronounce the with vowel sound. So that's why we use an before this. Okay. Here you can see I will complete my homework in an hour. Okay, here you can see the H is silent here. That's why we use the and before that. And means what? 1 hour. Okay. Now we're going to see the last article, the. The is used before a special name. A special name of rivers, holy books, mountains, monument. Okay. Here you can see the some example. The Ganga river. The Ganga is a special name, special river. So that's why we use the letter before this. See the next example. Gita is a holy book. Holy book means what? That book is connected with the God. And that's why we use the word before the Gita. We use the when a person, place, animal or things is mentioned second time. Remember this, person, place, animal or things is mentioned in second time. See this picture. He was talking to a man. The man was laughing. Here a man is a first use and second time that use there the man. Here he was talking to a man and the man was laughing. Okay, that's why we use here the man. because we want to say about the particular person. No, we use the when there is only one such a thing. For example, the sun. You can see the sun in the world, only one. No, the moon. That is only one such a thing. The is used to introduce plural nouns. Here you can see the many erasers. Here. The word is start with the vowel sound, but there is a many erasers, so that's why we use the before the that word. Here now we are going to solve some example. Here the first question, fill in the blanks, choose the correct word from the brackets. Here you can choose the correct word and write the correct answer. The first word is here man. The word is start with a am letter and this is a singular. That's why we use here a man. Okay. Here ox. The word is start with the vowel sound and that is a singular. So we use here an ox. C number question. Butterfly. The word is a singular and start with the consonant sounds. That's why we use here O. C 4 number question. Insect. Insect, this is a start with the vowel sound, no? So we use here an insect. Here London Bridge. London Bridge is a special place. So what we use here? The. The second question is here. Underline the mistakes in each sentence and rewrite it. So we will find the mistake here. First question. Have you seen an Himalayas? What is the mistake here? Himalayas is a special name. So before that, we can't write the an word. Here, we write the letter. So we underline the mistake. Okay, then we will rewrite. Have you seen the Himalayas? Second question, a Quran is a holy book. Holy book is a special, Quran is a very special holy book. So before that, we use the letter. The Quran is a holy book. I eat the egg for the breakfast every day. Here, egg is a singular and here the word is start with the vowel sound. So before egg, we here write an. So what is the mistake here? The. I eat an egg for the breakfast every day. 4 number question. Kabir is the 8-year-old boy. Here, the 8. You just start with the vowel sound and before that, here we should use an. Okay. So answer is here. Kabir is an 8-year-old boy. The last question is here. Shreya saw a Big Ben in London. Here, Big Ben is a special name. So, before that, we use the letter. Shreya saw the Big Ben in London. I hope you all of you understand this lesson.